G'day guys, welcome to Perfectly Reasonable Necessities. My name's Pete. Today I'm just going to talk about everything that's happening on the channel. We've got a new shirt, so basically this is what we've got. So you'll see that when I'm building things. We've also got Patreon, so that's underneath Perfectly Reasonable Necessities, so it'll be just patreon.com/Perfectly Reasonable Necessities, and there's different levels there you can choose to donate from, with different options there and prizes and so forth. So go on to Patreon, have a look, and all the donations go towards obviously making the channel better and all that sort of stuff. We also have a CNC, which you'll see just up here in a few minutes. We've only just gotten it up and running. It's from an Australian based business called Blue Cove, and they have a Facebook page, and they are fantastic. It comes to you partially assembled and you've got to put it together yourself, but the instructions they send, they're done via video, and some of it's done by text file, but really great guys. Customer service is second to none, always willing to help. They respond to their Facebook chat messages very quickly and very concisely as well, and they're really friendly. So really good people. Also, they have a option for a website called Adam's Bits, so you can actually get the bits for your router from them as well that they know work. So, and they're really good quality bits. I've been tinkering with it and honestly couldn't be happier with the unit myself. The shirt, just going back to that, the shirt's actually locally made as well by JNM Designs, and they're on Facebook as well. Have a look. The people there are great also, very patient. It took a little bit of a while for me to pick this up and get it going. So really good. There'll be a build video for the CNC as well coming up. So that way you can watch me build it and put together. It'll only be a quick one, but I build the video nonetheless. And we're going to have a little bit of a screenplay here in a second to show you what I cut in my first run. So I think that's about it for the minute. So we've got Patreon, and the link for that will be down below. So we've got www.patreon.com/Perfectly Reasonable Necessities. New shirt, and if you want one, just let me know. We can get one organised for you. And we've also got the CNC build coming up. So that's it for now, guys. Just thought I'd let you know as to what we're doing and where we're going. So, and hopefully I'll have a few more videos. Oh, and I've also got a chair build video coming up too. So we're going to work on some stage chairs for a wedding. So we will get a video up on that as well. Alrighty guys, have a good one. Hope you enjoy this one. Cheers.